Why I can't shoot a video longer than 10 minutes? Now I have to separate the videos to 2 parts. Okay, let's continue with our new Christmas pattern paper. This is the rest designs of this one with leaves and birds. I hope you like this style. We haven't tried it before. And next, the feather vintage. We had feather and the clocks. Typical vintage. And the next designs. The maps are also included in this one. Can you see it clear? And we have 2 mixture colors this time. The lighter one and the dark one. The lighter one is more rainbow, and the light. We're trying to include all colors in this. And this dark one is more dark, and we included several golden lines. It's not real gold, but it looks like golden fillings. Looks like foil. But I have to say it's not real foil. And the last, can you see it? The flower actually is on the wooden background. We call it wooden flower. And the rest 8 designs. Mostly flowers on wooden texture. Maybe we will put these 8 new styles in our store tomorrow. If everything goes right, we can get it tomorrow. I hope you like it, and I really want you to know, to tell me what's popular and what you are looking for, so that we can bring more in the future. Normally we will have 4 new styles each month, but this time we have 8, and the next one we are trying to bring about 12 designs at one time. I hope you really like it. Okay, the next another quick scan about our stamps. You all know designing papers really takes much time, so we don't have that much clear stamps as papers. Okay, goes with the small size first. A size reference for the normal A4 print paper. This size is one. The border, flower, and the sentiment backgrounds. And the printers. Okay, can you see it clear? Maybe with the white paper back. This one. If you are interested, I really hope you can click my store link to see other buyers' comments. You may get more well-known about it. I really don't worry about the very thin lines, and because it can really stand out very clear. And this clogs and bees, and the dress, hats, roses. We tried one cotton styles, but it's not sell very well. Does it not very suitable for, or is not very good use? Can you let us know? Actually, we think it's quite cute, but I have really few visitors for this too. These lines. And again, here goes our 6 background. Background is about 40 centimeters wide. It's a square shape. This is style 1. And the checks, style 2, and the rose background. Perhaps this one is most popular among all the other background stamps. The rose can be stamped very clear and typical wooden texture, and the leaves and the sentiment. And lately we have 6 bigger size. It's quite vintage. It can be called vintage style. This big, half size of the A4 paper, lace, rose, and clock and scissors as pin. And the architecture, the line is very thin, but it can be stamped out, so don't worry about it. And this is a whole stamp for background use. Sentiment in the back, and the dragonfly, butterfly. Can you see it clear? And this tree, these are separated. The birds, and each line is separated. Finding roots, my heart gives thanks. The most important thing is family. And this one is the best seller in this series. Maybe next time I should find a good way to shoot these videos. Okay, this video today is just a quick scan of our hot sales, and later I will bring more videos to detailedly introduce our products and maybe bring more artworks so that you can know more about us. I really thank you if you watching this whole videos, and I hope you like it. Thank you. See you next time.